Yeah, what the fuck? He's just outside and popped right to my goddamn head. Watch out, he's pushing. Oh, hey, they're split up. Come back, come back, come back. One far left coming towards us on the outcrop. One coming towards you.
I don't think they saw me. If they overdo it,
Moving. I'm on the dock. Healing up. Alright. I'm healing, so. Nice. They're both looking at you. Alright. Nice. Is that you?
I think our buddy's been coming from blue.
Yep.
One just went down in the far warehouse. Another one's in the warehouse.
That was down. Poor guy's brains out. One against the walls. It's like that box. Nice. Empty wallet.
There's a get down.
Peeking at the blocks. Alright, let's go loot.
Are you sure the dog's in there?
Yep.
I'm sure these guys aren't in the warehouse still.
There's more. That's another set of duos. Yeah, it's the guy. So what all do you need?
Was he an instant?
Yeah, one of them was.
Okay. I need meds, 556. 4x.
Shit, people moving by me. Right. They're healing. Dead. God.
Jesus. Well, I saw the other guy drop. I thought he just finished him. Shit, but I know.
Oh, right behind us. Got one on the right. Yep. Got him. Both dead. Back wing just from the light. Left, sorry.
Suppressed by the blue.
Not seeing him.
55. Tree right on the edge of the blue.
Alright, I gotta move.
He's gotta move. He's got a med right now because I hit him twice though.
I don't see him now.
65.
Got him. His buddy's here somewhere.
235. Other right.
Watch out for this guy's buddy.
His buddy shit
His buddy just died. He's got a level 3 bag, tree right in front of me. Gotta move. Right in front of us again. To the right. Dead. To the left. Fuck, fucking lag just killed me. 2 to the left. Straight ahead, healing. God, zone, come on. Alright, see 2 of them. Shooting. the last two over there.
Fuck it. Yeah.
Far across. Now you're good. Just get in zone. I see the last two. Stay. Keep trees in front of you. They're at the far side of the zone. They gotta come all the way to us. And they gotta come downhill too. Fuck, I don't have... See what I'm shooting at?
One left.
Oh, his buddy down the zone. He's popped in the chest, he's moving. You good. That's him. He's fucked up, man.
Hit him again.
Got one bullet left. He's stuck at that tree. Fuck.
Is that the red tree?
Yeah. One right in front of us. He's on the left side of it.
Oh fuck! I threw it in that tree.
11 kills.
Damn it.
That's my best game.